Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to talk about the Climatronic AC unit in Skoda Rapid Rider and even in Volkswagen group cars. So this is like an automatic AC unit. There are two knobs. One is for controlling your fan speed and the other one is for controlling the temperature. Like you can decrease the temperature and you can increase the temperature, right? I'll just turn off this fan. Okay, so there are a few buttons over here. One of the important button is this auto button. When you click on this auto button, the fan speed will be controlled automatically depending upon the outside temperature. Since it's an auto, now the outside temperature is 22.5. So it automatically choosing the fan speed like that. It just turn off the fan. And this particular button is max. This is for the windshield fog cleaning. When you click on this one, the fan will work in a max speed and the air will come in the windshield screen right over there, which will help cleaning the fog. I'll just turn off the fan again. So this particular button is for getting the airflow to your legs, only for the passenger and the driver, and also along with that you will also get the airflow to your windshield as well. This is the button. This is the symbol it looks. Let's just turn it up. And this particular button, if you click on this button, the airflow only flows to your face, and if you want to turn it off, you can click on the same button. And this particular button, as the button itself shows the nice icon, this flows to your toes, only for the front passenger and the driver. And this particular button is only this particular button if you want to take air only from the cabin. This is for the cabin circulation, and this is the off button. And this, if you wanted to on the AC and off. Now the AC is off and the AC is on. We'll turn this on now. So now let's just think in a situation we want to blow the air to the face and as well as the toes. So you can press two buttons and the airflow will be adjusted accordingly. And if you want to turn off both, you can just do that, right? And if you wanted to get the air to be circulated inside only, then just click on this button, right? I will always use the auto button mostly, so that the fan speed and as well as the airflow will be controlled automatically. Sometimes I would want to use the manual also. If I want to use manual, I'll just turn the knob and see, from the auto symbol has been cancelled, and now it is in the manual mode. In case if you wanted to turn off the AC completely, just turn the knob so that the fan will be stopped. Along with that, AC also will be stopped. If you want to off the display completely, then just turn the knob like this and the display also turns off. So that's pretty much it for today, guys. Thank you so much, and please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.